Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be talking about a piece of software that has saved me so much time in my publishing career and that I'm really thankful for. It's Tangent templates. But first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ben. I bring out videos on everything to do with my journey on self-publishing and all the hints, tips and tricks that follow. So if this interests you, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well to be notified when I bring out a new video. And if you haven't done so already, join my Facebook group, KDP Publishing Success with Ben Chinnock. We're a community of self-publishers, all helping each other. And as a bonus, I've left free interior in there for you. So if you haven't made full advantage of that yet, then do so. It's a workout log, and I think it's a niche that's really going to take off when the lockdown ends. But without further ado, let's jump into Tangent templates. So this is the Tangent templates home screen. So this is after you've paid for it. The screen should look like this before you've paid for it. So it will be obvious where the buy section is. Tangent templates is a one-off payment when I bought it anyway last year, and it was priced at $59.99. So this is a one-off payment. And just a little disclaimer before I start, I just want to say that I'm not affiliated with them, so I don't make any commission or anything when I sell the product or when I talk about them like this. I'm just talking through my own experience about how they've been really helpful in my publishing journey. So with all that aside, let's go into Tangent interiors. Now this is the first obvious benefit of Tangent templates. They give you a wealth of interiors to use, and you can just see how many bits of paper there is. Actually, this is really good for niche research as well. I mean, when I started out doing different types of books on the Amazon marketplace, I actually looked through these and checked the competition for every one of these book types on Amazon. So recipe paper, garden paper, everything like that, I typed it onto Amazon and see if I could publish a book there as a low competition niche. So that's good niche research for you. If you haven't seen my previous video, the 3 hottest niches as well, this is the sort of software I was suggesting that you use to create those books, like the handwriting paper in under 15 minutes. Because if you saw, they literally just used this interior here. So I think that handwriting book was 100 pages, so they literally just downloaded 100 pages of this handwriting paper template, and they were making 9,000 a month of that book, which is crazy. So the way it works is you literally just type in the amount of pages you want. So if I went for a quirky number, then let me do that. 115 for 8.5 by 11 with bleed. If I download that interior, it's really simple. It just goes straight into your computer and you can use that when you're publishing. So I think this is one of the major pluses for Tangent templates. It's so helpful in that sense. So if we go onto Designer, I'm not going to talk too much about this because I haven't used it yet. But what I believe it is, I think it allows you to make your own book page by page. So this is a very powerful tool. You can put text boxes anywhere. So I think the text has come up here, but I think I can move that if I want it to the top. It's literally drag and drop, so it's very intuitive in that sense. Unlike Microsoft PowerPoint, it's a little bit harder and user unfriendly to use. But yeah, look at that. It's very simple. Just drag and drop. I like the drag and drop bits of software, especially things like Canva. It just makes it so much easier to use. So yeah, this is really nice. And if this image is down here as well. Oh, look at this. So we've got a whole wealth of what seems to be line art. So you can really adorn your book, make it stand out from the crowds. And yeah, look at this. That would be a corner piece there. So that's really nice. That's a nice tool. I'm going to delve into that after this video, actually see what they have to offer through this. But that's the Designer for you anyway. The next tab is Tangent Builder, sorry. So if we go on this is similar to the last one. This allows you to design page by page. I'm just going to switch to classic mode. This allows you to design page by page, so you can essentially modify your own book. So if you wanted, say, a blank page in the first page, and then line paper in the second, you can build your book page by page, and it's going to be quite helpful. You can also upload your own interiors. So if you made one on Canva, for example, you can upload it here and then add it to your book. So this is a good way to customize your first page of the book without too much hassle. Just put in, you know, like this book belongs to, or what have you. And yeah, that's really helpful in that sense. So I use Tangent Builder quite a bit. KDP Helper, this is going to give you the margins for everything, your covers and interiors. So for a common notebook, I'm just going to do 6x9 here. Let's have a look. So it's going to give you these dimensions, 12.52 by 9.25. So when you do go on Canva or any other software to use to design your cover, then these are the dimensions that you want for them to be safe. And the same for the interior, again 6x9, so no danger there. So that's what KDP Helpful is. If we go to Listing Helper now, this is one of my favorite tools, and I think this is the one that's helped me save most amount of time, is the Listing Helper. So if you imagine you're uploading 10 notebooks, 10 Father's Day notebooks, and they have quite similar attributes. So you want the keywords to be the same, you want the author to be the same, the description to be very similar, and you're just going to change the title for each one and the subtitle. You can make the template for the listing here. So I've already made one, and I'm going to show you what it's like when I add it into KDP. Let's just get rid of all your details here. You can format your description, which is another big plus. So if I put KDP on the original Amazon uploading system, if you did a gap like that and you looked at your book's description, there would just be a block of text. There would be no gap because it requires HTML, whereas this, it's already formatted for you. So if you leave a gap here, it's actually a gap when you upload it onto Amazon. And you can make letters bold as well. You can add, you know, look at that, you can add bullet points. So it's really intuitive. Again, you can add so many. Wow, look at that. So you've got a lot of options there, and it just makes your descriptions look so much nicer on Amazon. So that's another big benefit of Tangent templates. And just to show you the KDP thing really quickly, so if I go on my bookshelf, I upload a paperback. The way that template works is literally, instead of filling it out here, all I do is click on the Chrome add-on up here and select a listing. If I press test, it's literally going to upload the book for me automatically. Everything is filled out and I can progress on to the next stage. And if I'm making 10 Father's Day notebooks, I just tweak the title a little bit to say whatever, and then perfect. Save and continue. It's as easy as that. Honestly, it's absolutely amazing. So that's Listing Helper for you. Category Explorer just essentially allows you to explore what categories they have out there. I haven't used this too much, but this I hear coincides quite well with Publisher Rocket, where you can see the competition for each category. So this allows you to explore the categories, and then you put them into Publisher Rocket to check what the competition is. So this is a great tool as well that I need to start using. Pricing calculator finally is just essentially going to allow you to see how much royalty you'll get per book without uploading a book. So you can see this at any point. If you had a 120-page notebook listed at $6.99, you're going to get $1.90 for it. And if it's £6.99, that's going to give you £2.29. And if it's €6.99, that's going to give you €2.15. So that's the way that works. Any page, any list price, you can calculate that. Simple as that. It's another helpful tool to back everything else up. But there are more tools as well. I'm not going to go through all of these because I haven't used any of these. But there you have it. And you've also got a lot of resources and instructional videos from the creators behind Tangent templates, so they will help you if you do get stuck. But yeah, I couldn't recommend Tangent templates enough. The amount of time it's saved me is well worth the $59.99. And like I say, I'm not affiliated with them. This is just my own personal recommendation. So Tangent templates, you've been a star. And that is pretty much the end of this video. If you've got any questions, hit up the comment section below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, drop it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate everyone taking the time to do so, and I will see you in the next. Take care, guys.